go get that gluten. Denny, do you want to go to Koreatown? Look at that pillar. My neck! Happy first day of Vlogmas, everyone. I'm so excited. This is our first Vlogmas, and so what we're going to try to do, hopefully, if we can commit to this, is have each one of us kind of film our day and then kind of put it together as one. So it is currently 7:45. I am going to work right now, and Danny is taking the SAT. So, yeah. What's good, son?
What is it called? I am so cold right now.
It's the restaurant right next to CrossFit. Yeah? How was it? Did you feel good about it?
Yes, I'm very cold right now. I guessed on like most of the free response.
That's not bad.
On math for the non-calculator portion.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, I guessed on most.
네. 저기 있습니다. Yeah. Thank you. Hello. 찌개
Mom, you want to go to K-Town with us today?
I'm going to Daddy's work Christmas party.
Focus.
Oh, we could go. You're gonna come down before 7?
Yeah, I'm literally trying to just pick up my album and then come home.
Okay.
I've been waiting to do it because people have been telling me to wait. 갈비탕.
I want kalguksu.
I knew it.
Just no clams.
Yum. Cop those BTS socks. Yes.
Merge onto California, 55 North.
After 2 months of waiting, I'm gonna get
It wasn't even 2 months. It's like a month and
we ordered it
7 days.
October 6th. It came in. They made it come back October 6th or something like that. Danny, it's been 2 months.
No.
Okay, well, almost.
It has not been. They said it came in, the album came in October 24th, and I thought I was supposed to get a message. I never got a message saying
Danny,
it's in
I
store.
already explained it. Why do you gotta be defending yourself?
Because
It feels like it's been years. I just want to know if I got the Wano freaking photo card.
we're almost there!
Who hates traffic? I hate traffic!
But we're almost there. It's like,
just gone to the Staples Center. Why?
I don't know, but we're almost there. Like, we expected it to be an hour with traffic, and it's been an hour with traffic, so...
No, we left at like 3:50.
No, we didn't. It's been almost an hour. Yeah.
Danny, do you want to go to Koreatown? For sure! We're literally in the heart of Koreatown. I bet you anything there's a market in there.
Yeah, they're coming out with bags.
I know, that's why I was like, they literally have bags. Oh my god, we made it. I'm excited. Oh, this car's behind us. The Yelp reviews, the like pictures when I looked up the reviews seemed promising. They look like What do you think it is? Upstairs? Oh my god, we found it. So it's on the first floor of this place, right next to a bakery. We made it.
At the Time magazine one, I've been wanting to
Wait. Yeah. Oh. Don't you have that? Oh, dude, it's 20% off. Or Maya.
20% for 23.
Oh. Yes, Danny.
$4 off.
Dude, I should get one of these. Shoot. Look, they have little tumblers. What is this retractable cable? Oh! Hand sanitizer gel. What is this? Oh, it's a puzzle. My god. My god, you can make like molds and stuff. 수미야, 어떤 거? 언니는 사줄게. 어떤 거? What's a thinker? Like, what is that? Oh, look at all of these things. They're so cute. Aww. They have a mouse pad, Danny. What do you want, Dan?
I want the Coca-Cola.
What is it?
This?
Oh, I thought you meant this. What is this? Oh, it's a blanket.
Oh my god. Yeah, I've definitely been outside.
Cute. Oh, Didi, look. Should I dye my hair? Are you happy? Are you satisfied? We got some good stuff.
We did.
I hope the Time magazine
We
is cool.
spent less than $100 for the first time at a K-pop store.
I know. You know what, Danny? You know, I could have gone into any store and bought the Time magazine for like $5. I bet this was like $30.
Why?
No, I'm just kidding. Time magazine you can buy anywhere.
That's true, but you have to go look and find it.
Yeah, that's true. And it was sold out like immediately because they pre-ordered it. Store. It's food court.
Open it.
Okay. Which one should be open first?
The one that took over a month to get.
Really? Okay, but first off, look at this photo card. And on the back we got.
Wow.
And then Danny got these. Danny, they're stickers.
Yeah, I could tell when she gave it to us.
Blessed up.
Cross your fingers, cross your fingers.
Unboxing. Okay.
Did we get it? Did we get it though? Got him.
Wait. Is it?
Got him. Are you happy?
I'm so stoked.
Was it worth the month wait?
There's more.
Was it worth the month wait though?
Yes. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. So, we got version 2. Oh, cute.
Focus. Wait, show them to me. Wow, you're just lucky today.
We're really pulling through. Oh, this is like my favorite picture of them.
That's cute.
Oh my god. It's the like really filmy one where it looks like it was all shot in like a film camera.
You want to show it to us?
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Aww.
Like this one. so happy.
So we got the very first album.
Ooh.
No more Oof, they're babies.
Oof.
We love the drawings, and it's a postcard.
Oh, really? Oh, that's so cute.
I don't think they do photo cards for this. I think they just did postcard.
Wow. I honestly didn't think you would ever take it out of that, so.
I want to look at it. It's still a magazine.
Yeah, that's true. Cute. Killed it. 맛이 어때?
I don't know. I haven't tasted it yet.
한번 try.
It's hot. I don't want to burn my tongue.
어때?
It's hot. I burned my tongue because of you. I was letting it recover from like 2 days ago.
Let's go home. Ow. Ow. Danny. Ow. Good night, Danny.
Good night. I'm really cold.
Thanks for joining us on today's vlog. Thanks for hanging out with me today.
You're welcome anytime.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow on day 2. Say bye, Mama. Oh. Say bye-bye.